bitter coffee taste, lime scale deposits, or frequent machine breakdowns. Meet the PUROLINE Filtration series, engineered specifically to elevate professional coffee brewing. Smart design meets maximum flexibility. A single universal head fits both home and pro systems effortlessly. Choose your control, available with a standard head or an integrated bypass head. The bypass allows you to blend up to 30% of raw water to achieve your exact target water hardness. Protect your equipment and perfect your brew with a combination of resin, carbon, sediment, and MNX magnesium bed cartridges. Expand your system with an inline magnesium booster cartridge. Powered by MNX media, it enriches the water with magnesium to enhance the flavor of your beverages. Need higher capacity? Scale up with multi-stage configurations engineered to support busy locations with continuous heavy water demands. Never guess when to change your filter. The DigiFlow sensor monitors live flow, alerting you precisely when it's time for a replacement. For high-capacity demands, deploy a central water softener at the main inlet and fine-tune your coffee water with an MNX cartridge. Who will benefit? Cafes and restaurants, consistency in every cup and lower maintenance costs. Coffee distributors, protecting your brand's coffee flavor note profile. Coffee machine manufacturers, drastic reduction in warranty claims caused by scale. Pure technology for the perfect brew. Upgrade your cafe's water system today. Visit our website to learn more.